Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDONE.dynamic link library and an UNARC.dynamic link library error. Thanks to answer.microsoft.com and a.user to provide us this article, and I already tried this method. So this is worth to try by increase your Windows page file or virtual memory. Before that, the ISDONE.dynamic link library and an UNARC.DLL error in Windows 10 or 11, mostly related to the installation of PC game as well program of large size. This eat up your PC RAM as well as hard drive while installation. If your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here, in order to increase Windows page file or virtual memory, you can hold Windows key and R key, and this will pop up. This is the one box that you can try to open a program, folder, document, and here we go. You can type sysdm.cpl sysdm.cpl, click OK, and this is the system properties. You can click advanced performance settings and click on advanced again, and this is the virtual memory. You can click change, untick this box in order manually manage paging file size, custom size, click it, and you can fill the initial size by 400 and maximum size is 3000. Now you can restart your PC and try to reinstall your games or software. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.